Hey, what's up?
We're going to make some pork ribs.
That's
Whoa.
right, pork ribs.
First thing we need to do is chop it up.
Chop them up? Nope, we're gonna keep them whole. Just wanna flip them over and remove this membrane right here. Have you tender, fall off the bone ribs. Okay, we got the membrane peeled off the back of these. Gonna go ahead and put these on a foil lined pan. Okay, put that in the sink. Let's go ahead and season these up. Okay, first we're gonna put some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, alright, so there you have one side. Next we're going to take our dark brown sugar. We're going to do half a cup on this side. Just like so. Gonna spread it out a little bit. Oh yes, it's gonna be delicious. Go ahead and pat that on there. And then we're gonna flip them over. Alright, put that on there. Give them a flip. Alright, after you flip them over, go ahead and do the same exact thing on the other side. Alright, just finishing this side up. Pat it in there. Close your foil up, make a little pouch, close the end off here, fold the sides over, crimp them nice and tight. Don't want any moisture coming out of this packet when it's in the oven. And go ahead and flip this over. We're going to cook it meat side down in the oven for around 2 hours at 110 degrees centigrade. So that's about 250 Fahrenheit. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put these in the oven, let them bake up. See you guys in a bit. So we're gonna go ahead and prepare our sauce. You wanna grab 1 cup of ketchup, okay, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, dash of soy sauce, maybe about a teaspoon, teaspoon and a half, some yellow mustard, also 1 teaspoon for that. Just gonna whisk that up. Okay, we mix that a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of the dark brown sugar in there, like so. And then just give it another stir. It's gonna be delicious. We're gonna put this on the ribs when they come out of the oven and then throw the ribs back in the oven for about 5 minutes just to really glaze this sauce up on there. Alright, so that's all stirred up. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Delicious. Alright guys, so those have been in the oven for about an hour. We're going to go ahead and take them out, put them on the counter, flip them over, and just send them right back in the oven. Got that. Careful, they're a little hot. Send them back in the oven. Alright guys, they're done in the oven. We're going to go ahead and grab them, put them on the counter. Alright. Got those. Go ahead and remove this foil.
Wow!
Woo. Right. Look at those. Now you're just going to grab your sauce. Go ahead and pour that on top. Get all that goodness out of there. What is this?
That's tomato sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
Okay.
That almost looks
Just
like
spread that around
ketchup.
a bit.
Oh, it smells good here. Okay.
We're gonna put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes
Yeah.
on very high heat, so on a broil. Alright, perfect. Go ahead and grab your, where's my Muppet? There's the Muppet. Open the oven. Turn it on. High heat.
High heat.
Alright. those cook for 5 minutes, and they're gonna be good to go.
Okay. We are gonna take it out from the oven.
Yes,
And
we
it's
are.
ready.
Alright, just stay right there, don't move. Check those out, right? Woo! They're gonna be what, Andrea and Caitlin?
Delicious.
Delicious! Let's check those out.
They look
Alright,
like they're good.
so you can let it cool a couple minutes, or if you're brave, just grab some tongs, put them on a plate, and let's dig in.
And I'm brave.
Alright, look at
Remember
those.
Wow. That
Gonna
looks.
be syrup.
Yep.